Hi everybody, welcome back to my little kitchen, and tonight I'm going to make some barbecue pork nachos. And we got this idea from a restaurant that we eat at that make them, and they're just so good and something different to do with pork. But back here in my microwave I've cooked a half of a pork butt all day in the microwave, and I seasoned it with some nature seasoning and garlic powder and a little gluten-free soy sauce and a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce, and that's ready to go. And in my pot down here I have some green, half of a green pepper, half of an onion, and half of a jalapeno pepper. And so I'm just sauteing that to get it nice and soft. And in my baking sheet back here I have lined it with some parchment paper just for an easy cleanup. And I sprayed it with some non-stick spray, and I'm just gonna kind of lay my chips out, and I'm using the Mission Rounds Tortilla Chips rounds, yeah. And we're just gonna spread that out here. Whoops. My green peppers and my onions and my half a jalapeno pepper is nice and tender, and I'm just gonna sprinkle those onto my chips here. Just kind of randomly sprinkle them. Hopefully every little bit will get a little bit of everything. And here's the half of the pork butt here. And it's been off for a little while. It is very tender. And I'm just going to take little chunks of that meat and put it all over the nachos here. And I tried to pull off the fat because we don't want a bunch of fat on them. I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees, and I've already shredded up some cheese that we can put on them. Okay, so we've got quite a bit of pork on there, and now I'm just going to use the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on there. You can use whatever kind of barbecue sauce that you like. And I'm just going to kind of zigzag back and forth here. This is a great way to use leftover pork or chicken or anything. And then I've got sharp cheddar cheese, and we're going to put that on top. I just feel like I want a little more cheese sprinkled on top here. I'm going to hit it with just a little more barbecue sauce on top, and then we're going to put it in the oven and check it in probably about 10 minutes. We really just need the cheese melted good. Cutting up this avocado here, and I just cut it in half and of course took the pit out of there. Just cutting it in little strips that way and then this way. And then you just take a spoon and just scoop it out, and then it's already kind of cut up for you. You can top your nachos with that, and of course we'll have some sour cream to top it with. Could have some coleslaw on the side. A little bit of this salad left over from a couple days ago, and I'm just going to add to that. It's this little sunflower chopped salad kit from Aldi's. It's really delicious. So it's got all kinds of good stuff in it. Cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, carrots, and green onions. And it's really good. It comes with this little packet of dressing. I like to add a little extra mayonnaise to it, but I'm just going to toss that in and add the dressing. Just so we have plenty here. I normally don't put I do put the sunflower seeds in, but I normally don't put the bacon bits because I just think they get kind of soggy, and I'll use those in something else, like green beans or something. So I'll just add the dressing. You can kind of have this on the side with your nachos, so you're getting some kind of vegetables in. It's easy as that. It's really good. Once it mixes in with my leftover too, it will be very good. So my barbecue nachos are ready, and they're looking pretty good. And let's say they cooked about 7 minutes, and I did a low broil for probably about a minute just to kind of get the cheese a little bubbly. And I'm gonna make me a plate here. Get a little corner here. Black olives would have been really good too. I did black olives last time. Sprinkled those on top. Kind of forgot about that this time. But black olives would have been really good. And I'm gonna do a dollop of sour cream on there. And I do really like some avocado, so we're gonna get some of that on there. And I'm gonna do just a little side of my salad. A little side of my salad there. Just gonna make me a nice chip here. Some cheese, a little avocado on there. Pork. A little sour cream. This would be fun for a party or just any time. Here we go. You definitely need a napkin. It's really good. So I hope you try barbecue nachos. And thanks for watching. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.